Have you ever wondered where Netflix store your shows or how companies run giant websites without huge servers in their office? Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital IT Lab. This is Bear and in today's video I will explain what the cloud is and what Microsoft Azure is, using simple examples and clear comparisons. By the end you will understand the basics and know when to use Azure instead of other clouds. Let's jump in. Here's what we will cover. What is cloud computing, cloud service model, deployment models, what is Azure, short comparison between Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud, when to choose Azure. Let's talk about what is cloud computing. Cloud computing means using someone else's computers over the internet to run apps, store data, or do heavy work, so you don't need powerful machines at your office or home. Think of the cloud like electricity. You don't build a power plant, you just use what you need and pay for it. Let's discuss some real life examples. Streaming Netflix, video files are stored and served from cloud servers. Gmail, your emails are stored in the cloud. A startup launching a website uses cloud servers so they can handle sudden traffic. There are three main service models. I will explain each with simple example. First, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. IaaS gives you virtual servers, storage, and networking. You control the OS and apps, but not the physical hardware, like renting a virtual machine on a cloud and installing Windows or Linux. When you need full control over the server and environment, you can use IaaS. Second, PaaS, platform as a service. PaaS gives you a platform to run your code without managing servers. It handles runtime scaling and some OS management, like deploy a web app directly, the platform auto scales it. When developers want to focus on code, not infra, then they can use PaaS. Third one is SaaS, software as a service. SaaS is ready to use software over the internet. You just use the application, like Office 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce. For end-user applications that need no infra management can use software as a service. There are three deployment models: public, private, and hybrid. Public cloud services are offered over the internet to many customers, cheapest and easiest to scale, like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud Public Services. Private cloud infrastructure dedicated to one organization, more control and security, but costlier. Hybrid cloud, a mixed sensitive data stays private, other workloads run in public cloud, great for gradual migration. Like a bank uses private cloud for customer data, but public cloud for marketing website. Now let's discuss what is Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is Microsoft's cloud platform. It provides hundreds of services, compute storage, networking, databases, analytics, AI, and identity. Businesses use Azure to host websites, run apps, store data, and build advanced solutions like machine learning. The core Azure categories are compute, virtual machines, app services, Azure function, storage, blob storage, file storage, disk storage, networking, virtual networks, load balancer, VPN gateway, databases, Azure SQL database, Cosmos DB, identity and security, Azure Active Directory, Key Vault, management and monitoring, Azure Portal, Azure Monitor, cost management, AI and analytics, cognitive services, Snaps Analytics. Here is a tip for beginners. Start with the Azure portal and a free trial, create a resource group, then a simple web app. Now let's discuss the comparison. Azure is strong with Microsoft customers and enterprises that already use Windows, Active Directory, and Microsoft 365. AWS has the largest number of services and long history. Google Cloud is known for data, AI, and Kubernetes. Pricing changes often. Each cloud has cost tools and free tiers. Azure is often easier for hybrid setups because of Azure Stack and tight Microsoft ecosystem integration. All clouds have learning curves. Choose one that match your current tech stack or job opportunities. Choose Azure when your organization uses Microsoft products like Windows Server, SQL Server, Active Directory. When you need hybrid integration between on-premises and cloud. When you want enterprise agreements and support for Microsoft workloads. Also good for startups that prefer Microsoft tooling or teams building AI with Azure's cognitive services. If you want to try Azure today, do this. Create an Azure account, open Azure portal and create a resource group. Create a simple app service like a web app or a virtual machine. Try Azure Storage, upload a file to Blob Storage, explore Azure AD Basics, create one user and try sign in. Now let's take some common questions. Is Azure free? There is a free tier and trial credits for new accounts. Many services have free levels. Can I move from AWS to Azure? Yes, there are migration tools, but planning is required. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Digital IT Lab. Thanks for watching. This is Baz. See you in the next video.